How to set call forwarding when busy on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the more button. Then tap on settings. Now in call settings, we scroll down. And from here, tap on supplementary services. Then tap on call forwarding. In here, tap on forward when busy. And from here, put in the phone number that you want to forward to when you're busy. And then tap on turn on. Okay, so that is just some random number I put in. And if you want to cancel the call forwarding, you can simply tap on that and then tap on turn off. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.